Communication is the activity or process of expressing and sharing ideas, feelings, and information. The only means with which all the souls in this universe get connected is through communication. Without communication, all the souls cannot connect themselves with one another, and they cannot connect themselves with the Supreme Soul. Today, I'm going to talk about communication in relation with relationship. Every relationship is based on communication. It starts and grows through communication. People now are trying to make their communication so effective that they do not want to bring any negative impression through it. But still, they are not being able to do that. Everybody are trying to manage and control their words in such a way so that the communication would be effective. In this world, we communicate through our words, gestures, signs, and action. People are so much alert to control and to polish their words, signs, gesture, and action. But still, they are not getting the intended result. The most important but neglected and forgotten thing about communication is that communication is not based on words, action, gesture, or symbols. It is strongly based on the thought energy. How we think about a person matters a lot than how we speak to that person. While communicating, we think that only words are being exchanged, or gesture, signs, and symbols are being exchanged. But in fact, beside words, gestures, signs, and symbols, there is lots of things being exchanged within our head and the person's head with whom we are communicating. We polish our language in such a way nowadays that we try to hide all our dislikings, disgusts, hatred, and other things that are within our mind. If we dislike a person, we do not say it directly. We say that we like the person so much and in such a polished language, but still the person feels that he or she is not liked. Why is this happening? Effective communication needs synchronization in our thought, word, and action. If we like a person, we need to like the person in our thought level, inside our mind. If we dislike a person, we need to dislike in our thought level. Then only our words and action carry the same energy that you want to transform to the person. For example, if I do not like a person, but outside in a sweet and polished language, if I say that I like the person so much, the person understands that something is wrong there. The person feels uncomfortable with my words and says, "Really? Do you really mean that?" If I want to say somebody that I like you, I need to like the person in my mind first. If I like the person in my mind at the thought level, I do not have to express it through the words or through the action. Because I have told earlier that thought is the energy and it travels. it reaches to the person about whom I'm thinking. Sometimes we might be talking to people and still the people feel ignored. It happens basically between lovers, husband, wife, and parent children, and also in the close family members. We say that, fine, I'm talking to you, but still the person to whom I'm talking feels lonely. Says that, I don't know why. I think that you are somewhere else, not with me. Why does that happen? It happens when we are talking verbally with the person and in our mind, in our thought level, we are with somebody else. Or we are thinking about something else. Therefore, to make effective communication, we need to be with the person in our thought level with whom we are communicating. Thank you.